Welcome back. Turmeric for weight loss trending search. We're going to talk about see if it can help you. Let's get into it. Turmeric is a widely used spice with some heart and brain benefits. It may help with weight loss, but research in humans is needed to verify its further effects. My name is Reggie. I'm the founder of Fit for Freelance, where I build adaptive business leaders through compassionate health coaching. I like to break down trending topics so you know which supplements can help you, which don't, and how you can lead the healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams by eating healthy. So, let's talk about turmeric. Today, it's also known as a golden spice, is popular in Asian cuisine. It has been a traditional part of Indian medicine. A lot of the health properties are from a compound called curcumin. It has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Click like if you're into that. So the markers are usually elevated in people with obesity, and that can cause other effects. Test tube studies show that curcumin may suppress some of those inflammatory markers and help you lose weight overall, or they're associated with lower obesity rates. A 30-day study in 44 people who were previously unable to lose weight found that supplementing twice a day with 800 milligrams of curcumin and 8 milligrams of piperin led to significant reductions in body weight, body mass index, and waist and hip circumference. That study is linked in the description below on YouTube. Piperin is a compound in black pepper that may boost curcumin absorption by 2,000%. The next study, a review of 21 studies in over 1,600 people, linked curcumin intake to reduced weight, BMI, and waist circumference. It also increased levels of adiponectin, a hormone that helps regulate your metabolism. So there's some good signs about turmeric helping you with your weight loss goals if that is what you're into. Most human studies suggest that health benefits are only seen at higher doses, such as those found in turmeric extracts or curcumin supplements. And that's because the turmeric is used in small amounts as a spice. The spice only has about 2 to 8% curcumin, that compound that's associated with all those benefits. But the extracts, the turmeric extracts and the curcumin extracts, have up to 95% curcumin. So, something to keep in mind, there's no official dosage guidelines for these supplements. Most research suggests that 200 to 2,000 milligrams of turmeric extract per day is sufficient to see potential benefits. Also linked below the Healthline article, they say you should avoid taking high doses of turmeric for longer than 2 to 3 months at a time because long-term safety research isn't available. So we don't really know all the effects of it. It's not necessarily like a super food or a health automatic slam dunk thing that's going to make all of your problems go away, right? It's just a supplement, and then there can be side effects when you're taking high doses of any supplement. And then Healthline also says anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, brain health, heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, arthritis, and depression benefits. But you shouldn't expect turmeric to aid your weight loss as much as those other benefits. The herb has other benefits such as lowering your risk of brain conditions and heart disease. So some things to consider in terms of how it fits into your diet, if it can help support your weight loss or your other health goals, and potential risks of using it too much. So things to consider there. If you want some tasty recipes with turmeric, I've got them in the plant-based snack pack linked below. I've also got a 30-day plan that's in the description as well. Something I always point out when it comes to these supplements is that they probably won't solve your issue. It's not the primary thing. It's not like you were missing turmeric and that was the key to your health and healthy eating and sticking to your diet and maintaining your exercise habits and all that stuff. All right. If you want help with sustainable weight loss, building the self-control so you can let your health support your life and lead the healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams, book a call below and I'll be glad to help you with that and build a more complete understanding of your health and how it supports your life and what you want to accomplish with it, instead of just kind of bouncing from supplement to supplement or buying a bunch of capsules and thinking that's going to be the solution to the challenges that you're facing. All right. Now, turmeric I wouldn't consider turmeric a scam supplement. I've covered lots of them on the channel, but I wanted to show you a video next. It kind of talks about how like you don't want to jump around from these supplements. Instead, focus on the health habits that are sustainable, knowing how to eat in a healthy way, whether you're at home, meal prepping, or you're going out to eat, knowing how to make healthy choices that don't make you feel bad about yourself or don't make you feel like you're mentally weak if you can't keep up with them, making a sustainable plan based on the vision for what you want for yourself in your life. So, next, you can watch Stop Buying Scam Supplements. I'll put that link right there. Let me know in the comments what you think. Turmeric, are you into it? And as always, keep practicing. Peace.